Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to repair a drywall ceiling hole fast and easy. I'll also show you my tips and tricks for cutting out the drywall, attaching the drywall, and all the tools and materials needed to get this ceiling repair done. So stay tuned for this step-by-step drywall ceiling repair video tutorial.
Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a round hole from an old speaker, or even if you just have a hole in your ceiling or wall, how to get a perfect fit with the drywall, how to add a furring strip and not have to cut it back to trusses or furring strips. So stay tuned. What you're going to need is just a keyhole saw. I already pre-cut this furring strip, so you'll need something to cut, whether it's a hand saw or a circular saw to cut a furring strip about 4 inches bigger than the hole, cordless drill, and a tape measure, and a piece of drywall. What we're going to do is we're going to make that a square instead of trying to figure out how to get this round piece. So we want to go probably 12 inches, 12 by 12. So we'll take our piece of drywall. Notice this is the factory edge here. We don't want to use that because it's recessed to receive mud, but on a repair you don't want that, or you're going to have to put more mud in it to get it flat. So we're going to go 12 by 12.
And if you're looking to step up your drywall texturing or painting game, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification to keep up with all my latest videos. Well, now this way 12. Doesn't even have to be perfect because we're going to trace whatever piece we end up with. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Paul, and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. And I love sharing all the tips and tricks I've learned along the way. Okay, so we're going to put this up here and trace it. One thing that's crucial is you want to make sure you're going to be over the hole. Alright, so what we need to do is make a mark on the new piece of drywall and on the ceiling so you know which way it goes when you go to put it back up. Just go around the perimeter and mark it. Let me know in the comments what kind of ceiling repair or drywall repair you're working on. That's it. Alright, we won't need a pencil or tape measure or anything now. This has some blown insulation, so what you want to do is push it back so it all doesn't fall on your head. Alright. So just get her started and go with it. When cutting the ceiling, always make sure there's no wires or anything where you're not able to see. You got to feel or... So there's the square I cut out. Now I'm going to add the furring strips. Now if you had a smaller hole, you could just put a furring strip right in the middle and go with it. But the way this is, it needs one on each side. So I cut two, probably about 2 inches, just about 2 inches wider than what I needed, so I can go over the existing drywall to screw into. So you take your 1.25 inch drywall screws. That's what you're going to attach your drywall to, and you'll see why I made that mark over there.
piece that we cut, what we traced, arrow to arrow. Look at that. You can do that too. Super simple. It's all about the steps, you know? You don't want to push too hard or you're going to pull these screws to the drywall with on the fern strip. There's that patch that I cut out. I'm going to show you how to mud this out so it becomes invisible once you get a couple coats of mud on it. I'm using it's called FibaFuse, and it's like a fiberglass, not a mesh, but it's like a mat, and it's like really good for repairs. Lays flat, great for butt joints. Love this stuff. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I just mixed up some all-purpose joint compound, thinned it down a little bit. So I'm just going to fill this in just to bed the tape. I'm just going to do probably a 3 or 4 inch wide swath of mud to fill that little area and also bed the FibaFuse. I'll leave a link in my description for FibaFuse. Give it a shot. This stuff's good stuff, man. Love it. All right, once you got the mud down, you're ready to bed the FibaFuse. Just hold your knife a little past the joint and it tears real easy. Start in the middle, go one direction, go back the other way. Do that around the perimeter of the repair. I'm telling you, this stuff is sweet. Lays really flat.
And if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Paul, and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my latest videos.
I'm going to hit the whole thing with my 12-inch knife and fill in the middle here. Just kind of make it smooth.
I'll leave a link in the YouTube card above to my top drywall repair video playlist.
See how I'm adding mud just where I need it? You don't want to leave the FibaFuse dry with no mud on the top when you go over it. Alright, so there's the first coat. As you can see, this stuff is like awesome. Alright, let's see that repair. Alright guys, here's the that ceiling repair that was an old speaker hole that I squared out, put 2 furring strips in, cut a piece of drywall, and then bedded the FibaFuse fiberglass mat tape with the all-purpose joint compound. So this is what it looks like after the first coat was done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 6-inch knife and scrape any high spots or anything like that. these 6-inch knives. This is a stainless steel. It's super stiff, so it's great for first coating and scraping. Nice and flat. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the second coat and check it to see how to check it and see where you need some joint compound to make it even flatter. It's right in the middle that just needs a little bit. So I'm going to fill the middle, go from there. All right, so there's the second coat. That repair is going to disappear. All right, guys, here's that ceiling repair. That was only 2 coats on that. The rest of the ceiling's been skim coated. Everything's ready for sanding. So I'm going to get some footage of the sanding. I'm going to sand this out with my sanding sponge. There's not a lot of humps or edges to sand. I'm just going to give it a quick go over. And I've got a pencil just to kind of make a mark if I see a spot that needs a little mud so I can drop back and hit that. So I'm going to open this window, remove the screen. All this dust is hopefully going to blow out with my fan. So it's going to be a little loud. Here we go, fan action. Let's start with the ceiling. There's the repair. Gone. All right, here's the skim coated bathroom remodel. And then of course the circle that I squared off and repaired the ceiling. There's a little drying mud right there, but other than that, this place is tight. Ceiling repair disappeared. All right, if you got a question, please leave it in the comment section of this video. If you got a video request, you can also leave that comment in any of my videos. I check them all, try to answer all my questions that I get. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm constantly doing do-it-yourself videos with do-it-yourself drywall, painting, texturing, texture matching. If you're renovating your home or doing remodeling or even a contractor, I got some tips and tricks for you. So subscribe, check me out on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram.
And if you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. And if you have a friend that's a DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Check out one of these videos down below.